I spoke about Accrue, talking about Accrue, saving in Accrue, investing in Accrue for a while. And so today I'm here to take you through the process to sign up on your Accrue platform and also to make start making money or investing or saving. So let's go. You just need to pick your phones up, go to your app store. If you are using the iPhone, you go to your app store. If you are using your Google or your Android, you are using your Android, you can go to your Google Play Store and then you visit your Play Store. You go to, let's go to so you just go to your app store, then you click on the search bar, then type Accrue, simple like that, and then you see this black logo with a whitish something on it. You just download it. If you've downloaded it already, due to my previous videos, you can just open it. And then those who have not downloaded it, you just download. Me, I've already downloaded. I'm a user on the Accrue platform. So it says that Accrue send, spend, sell, and so you just download and then you open. So when you open, this is my platform already. So let me actually sign out before. Let me sign out. So this is my platform. You can decide to sign up. To sign up, you can just come to this splash screen. When you actually download it first, this is the splash screen that you see. It says that create an account. So you can just go to create an account. You can choose to use your Google or your Gmail account to do it, or if you're using an Apple phone, it will tell you continue with Apple, and then it will use your Apple credentials to sign up for the Accrue platform, or you can use your Gmail to sign up for the Accrue platform. And then you can use your email. If you have your email, you just continue. You just type in your email, your password, and then the referral code. The referral code, I will give it to you, or I'll paste it down at the comment on the description section where you can get it, or I'll post it on the screen, wherever on the screen when it's done. So you can find it there. And so you just type in your email, your password, and the referral code that I'll give you. Then you click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you are done. So I'll log into my platform already, and then we go. I have my account already, so I just log in, and then this is the platform. This is when you sign up, this is how it's going to come. You see the screen like this, and then you can go through it. But then before you be approved, I think you upload your Ghana card, or you take a picture, a selfie, and all that to verify your account. After verification, you are done. You are now into your Accrue platform, where you can save. This is your saving pocket, this is your funding balance, and then you can have your portfolio where you are actually investing. And so you can invest in crypto and all that, as I said earlier on. So this is how to sign up or create an account on the Accrue platform. Thank you for watching this video.